Okay, so here you go. You can read it by yourself.
When was the first version of IEEE 829 standard for software test documentation published? Options are 1983, 1985, 1990, 1993. I don't see anything back here. Oh, that guy there. 19? Any other? Sorry, I'm not going to take your answer. You have to do something wacky now. No waving hands. What is this? There, that guy there. He's doing the Macarena.
This would be the last try. We already have.
B, 1985. Sorry, guys.
So the correct answer is A, 1983.
Okay.
So this ends the first round. Round 1, cycle 1. We'll move to cycle 2, and which is based on the last round was on history of software testing. So we are moving to round 1, cycle 2, where we would have questions based on tools and technologies used across testing. All right. So Pooja, can we have the first question?
Team A ready?
A. Okay. So your question is, what is waste time in performance testing? And the options are time taken by the user waiting for a certain action to be performed by the application. B, time taken by user waiting to decide the next action to be performed by the user.
Audience, please maintain silence.
Time taken by application to respond to particular request. And option D is time taken by the user trying to access the application. I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Incorrect.
So audience, yeah? No. No, oh, come on. So the correct answer is B. That is time taken by user waiting to decide the next action to be performed by the user. So the next question for the next team, that is team B, and the question is, which of the following is not a characteristics of TDD, test-driven development? And your options are: the focus is on requirement before writing the code, refactoring the code, it employs a mechanism of test some, develop some, and it applies to waterfall model. So the emphasis on not.
We go for D. It applies to waterfall model.
Wonderful, that's correct. Okay, moving to next team and next question. So, all right.
Come on, guys, buck up. This is the last round. One team will be eliminated.
And this is for team C. So the question is, the information pane in QTP displays a list of errors, which are semantic errors, syntax errors, common errors, logic errors. B? Okay, so that's correct. Moving to next team, and the final question of this round is, application performance management refers to crowdsourcing your performance test efforts in the cloud, managing the number of users an application can accommodate, the discipline within systems management that focuses on monitoring and managing the performance and service availability of software applications, and the monitoring of performance of IT applications after they have been deployed to production.
Audience, please maintain silence. Can you please close the door?
BC.
C is the
C?
right answer.
Okay, that's the right answer. So we have completed one full cycle, and if we can have scores,
Yes,
please.
so it's the teammate that gets eliminated.
Thank you, and thanks a lot for being here.
Thank you, Team A.
Okay, so guys, congratulations. You've qualified for second round. We'll have a total at the end. There'll be 2 more rounds to go, and I'll take it forward. Okay? So we'll go with B, C, D now. So the first question for team B.
Or we can swap. We'll go with this team.
No, the scores will change.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So,
Go ahead. So the first question for you is identify the open source testing tool. A, Load UI, iLoad, LoadMeter UI, or WebLoad. Please don't prompt. Guys, clock is ticking. You have only 30 seconds. You have to hurry up. You'll go for B, iLoad. That's not the correct answer, I'm afraid. No, there's no passing. Answer ki do.
audience, anyone? Who said that?
Who all said that? Okay, so he was the first one to say, and anyone else? Just raise hands, you'll get chocolates.
You get chocolates by just raising your hands.
She's dropping chocolates. She has
It's
so
your
many.
lucky day.
So who raised their hand?
Now it comes to whoever catches it. Okay, guys. Next question for team C. Identify the automation testing tool. Your options are smart testing, Foursquare testing, testing anywhere, or is it D, 4-quadrant testing?
Five more seconds.
5 more seconds. You'll go with B. I'm afraid the correct answer is C, testing anywhere. Oh, you guys wanted to pass in every question? My bad, sorry. Give one chocolate to someone else. They'll scold me later. 0.
We also have an audience question now. We have a KPMG
want?
merchandise.
Do we want? So this is a special audience question. You get this. What's inside this? I also don't know. Only she knows what's inside this. But it is something good, better than a chocolate.
So now,
Might be a bigger chocolate, I'm not sure.
not only the question, but you guys have to do the, let's see, the recent football fever is still on. So we want you to do the ole, ole, ola. For this question, you know the answer, you have to do this. Whoever, stand up and do it, and then we'll see if it's right or wrong. Okay.
Okay, so the question is,
Yeah, like this, ole, ole, ola.
what do
Okay?
you think? We have champions. Audience
Okay.
question, okay. So the question is, what kind of bug will the below graph represent into an application? So you have to tell what kind of a bug does this graph represent. The options are no loop initiation, divided by 0, multiply by 0, or is it infinite loop? The teams cannot answer. Let the audience answer.
I don't see. Not you.
Yeah, you
Yes.
get this for doing that. And your answer is?
Anyone else?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Come on.
Yes, he said it right. It's an infinite loop, divide by 0. Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Can we have a round of applause for him? Okay. Quickly, we'll move on to cycle 3 of round 2. This is the last cycle in round 2. We'll have a score check. Anyways, it is live. We all have the score check. But after this is the last round for catching up. Okay? So this round, we'll play videos for each of the team. We'll display the question. I'll read out the question. The video will be played only once. Your time will start as soon as the video finishes. Okay? There'll be 2 questions in each video. If you answer one of it, 5 marks. If you answer both of them, 10 marks. Audience, please, while the videos are on, please don't prompt, okay? So, can we have the first video, please, for team B? Which major software testing glitch is being demonstrated in this video, and which OS it was found in?
AM, 3:14 and 7 seconds on the 19th of January, 2038. AM.
No options. Your time has started. The date. Ten more seconds.
Guys, hurry up, give me anything.
Some Y2K.
It
Time
is,
up.
but not that. So anybody in the audience, can you tell me what was the testing glitch and which OS it was in? Please. Divide by 0. Can you please a bit? Yeah, related to Y2K, but Y2K was more of 2000. This is something which was found much later after it. Okay, anybody else would like to give it a try? So this was a problem where this was for Unix platform, and the date time test cases combinations that were tested were not exhaustive. That was the problem. Okay.
So it was the 2038 problem.
It was a
Ring a bell?
Next video. Which Apple product is being featured in this video, and what was the cause of failure? iPod, okay, and what was the cause of failure? Synchronization. Okay, so both the answers are wrong. I'm sorry. I'll
Audience,
pass
anyone?
it on to audience. Anyone would like to take a guess what product it was? This was a famous product and a very big failure. Sir, you said something. Would you like to? So the product was? No, it was not a mouse pad. It was an Apple Puck mouse. That is what the product was. And can anybody tell why it failed? Just quickly compare it with the mouse that we use currently. And you see that?
Mouse ball.
No, not scroll, not mouse ball.
Shape.
Yeah, she's right. It's because of the shape,
Who
yes.
said shape? Okay. So,
Oh.
so what was the problem with the shape? It was round, yes. So this mouse was round, so people did not know what direction to point to. That was the biggest problem with this. Okay, quickly moving on to the third video. Name the Mars rover being described in this video and the problem that was associated with it.
Winner EDL, time for 7 minutes of flaming hell. Rover's touching down, everybody pass peanuts around.
Yeah, we have mission control.
Getting full use out of every soul.
What?
Just one.
Okay, so and the first part of the question was, what was the Mars rover named?
Name the Mars.
This video went viral.
Anyways, the second part is also not correct, but still I'm giving you a chance for the first one.
Your time's up.
The time is up. So anybody in the audience knows the name of the Mars rover? Curiosity.
Yes.
That's the correct. And sir, the problem? Any idea? No. Okay, so there was a sudden voltage drop which led to a.
I think there is another lady there. Yeah.
Somebody wants to give the answer for what is the problem?
I just thought that 64-bit data was stored in 64-bit.
No. So it was a soft short because of which the rover went missing for 2 hours. Okay, so we have a audience video as well, for which again I have something here. I think you can take a feedback from him, is it good, is it bad, and answer accordingly.
So what do you guys want to do this time? So Shakira did the closing ceremony as well. Any belly dancers on the house, in the house?
Dancing on the stage. How do
Yeah,
The first,
nobody will
the
answer.
first daring person to come up on stage and dance.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll go with the video. Name the company and the device they were manufacturing before the device featured in this video. I'm pretty sure you all would be able to identify the device that we are showing in this video. But you have to name the company and the device that this company was manufacturing before this device.
You get that only if you answer both.
I cannot break it into half and give it.
Sorry.
And they're yours. Right this second, you could have missed the hottest tickets in town with a
Okay, so the device, this is, see, everybody answered. That's why we asked, what is the device, which company, and what is the device they were manufacturing before this?
Come up on stage, anyone.
This is pagers, it is clear. Which company is this? Come, you answered.
Motorola is right, but what were they manufacturing before pagers? You didn't come up on stage, so come up fast, quick.
It's okay, can I give it to him? So though he is from Unicom, but he had not seen these questions before, I can promise you.